Richard Stebbins, trial assignment, motion to withdraw.
Yeah, I moved to withdraw because my client and I had not seen eye to eye on many issues, Judge. So very difficult for us to work together. I moved to withdraw, Judge.
Not getting along with your lawyer?
I would like an explanation as to what's going on, respectfully, Your Honor. And I believe that it would benefit you to hear these explanations from both the lawyers I've been assigned and the district attorney's office. I spoke to the governor's office, the attorney generals, even some state police about the issues I've been having. And my case has been put off for over 2.5 years. And I've never agreed once to put my case off or my trial off, ever. And all this information I've been asking for, it's been 2.5 years and everybody seems confused on how to get it. Even though I've obtained this type of information in the past, I'm asking for recordings from a restraining order hearing and then a restraining order extension to go along with the 911 call I have, because there's 3 different stories being told about this incident. And then I've been forced to come out here, I don't even know how many dozens of times. I'm physically disabled. So this puts all kinds of undue hardship on me. I make limited income, yet I'm forced to pay $50 to $100 to travel out here, and then nobody does anything. I just stand around in the hallway. I ask questions and people act confused. I sent Mr. McGinty and the previous lawyer, Alex Burgo, emails so I could cover all of this. And I made videos and I put all my evidence online. So there's no way anybody's gonna cover this up. I'm on a very petty charge, a misdemeanor assault charge, but the assistant district attorney's office is trying to cover up abuse of mentally challenged people. I've filed dozens of reports, and they keep being tampered with. And they don't want that getting out. All these companies are covering up all this abuse. This is why this situation happened. I ran out on my ex because I don't want to deal with you people. All these people lie, cheat, steal. Nobody has any morals or ethics. I'm not going to attack my ex. I have nothing negative to say about her at all. I don't care that she said that I elbowed her in the face or someone alleged that I did that. I didn't hear her say it. When I left the house and when the police arrived, there was no marks on her face. All she was upset about was abuse.
Sir, we're not trying the case right now, okay?
I know they're not trying my case, and it's being put off. I'd like a trial date, sir, please.
Well, Mr. McGinty's asked to withdraw. It seems that you don't get along with him, so that's going to delay the case somewhat.
No, Your Honor. I don't believe I need a lawyer. After all the things that my lawyers and assistant district attorneys done to me, this proves my case. I've had previous cases with the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, and they've withheld evidence. I got hit while I was walking by a car.
You know
the
what?
car didn't have car insurance.
Frankly, sir, I'm not interested in your life history. Okay?
I was talking to my ex the day
I want to deal with this particular case.
This is part of this case. I talked about my ex the morning of this alleged incident, so I'm
it's time for you to stop talking, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McGinty, are you willing to be standby counsel? If not, that's fine.
I would not, Judge. I would
Okay.
prefer not to be standby counsel.
All right. So, sir, you have the right to have a lawyer, all right? You may hire one. You're going to listen to me.
Yes, Your Honor.
You may hire one at your own expense. If you cannot afford one, you can ask the court to appoint one for you at a reduced fee or no fee, or you may represent yourself. What would you like to do?
I would like to represent myself.
Okay, how old are you?
45,
How far did you go in school?
some college.
Have you ever been treated for a mental illness or condition?
Yes.
You currently being treated?
Yes.
Are you on medication?
No.
Is
Well, for my hyperthyroidism, I'm not on psychiatric medication.
Okay. Is your condition or affecting your ability to understand these proceedings?
No.
Have you had any drugs or alcohol within the last 24 hours?
No.
All right. Do you understand that lawyers, due to their education and training, have specialized knowledge that you may not have? They may be able to recognize issues, maybe a motion to suppress or dismiss, or certain defenses that you may not be aware of. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
With that in mind, do you still want to represent yourself?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sign a waiver of counsel, please. Who has this for the DA's office?
88 Lindsay White, Your Honor.
Mr. McGinty, do you have any discovery you can provide to him?
Yes, I do.
Your Honor, if I may.
If you want recordings of other proceedings, sir, Okay, you can make that request through the court.
About the previous requests,
I don't know anything about any previous requests, sir.
well, they were in email, so the lawyers, should I contact the lawyers that were supposed to make the request, or who they were supposed to
They no
make the
longer
request?
represent you. You're representing yourself. So you're going to have to make the request yourself.
Judge, would you like to set it for a trial assignment date or a trial date?
I'd like to set it for a trial date.
Would August 8th be available?
August 8th, there's this, how old is this thing?
21 case, Your Honor.
We got a 21 case out of Dudley OUI case. It's 1,000 days old. It's on that day. 1,100 days old.
August
8th.
6 or 7 be available?
How about the 5th? I have one trial on the 5th.
That would be, thank you. August 5th?
August 5, okay with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
So this is scheduled for a jury trial. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Judge, I just will repeat that per Attorney McGinty, discovery is complete from his point of view. Thank you.
August 12, 5th. August 5.
Thank you. August 5th for jury trial.
Expect you and your witnesses, if you have any witnesses, they are expected to be here on that day
I'll
at
call witnesses.
8:45. You have to provide the Commonwealth, the prosecutor, with a list of witnesses.
How long ahead of time?
At least that,
1 week, Your Honor?
1 week beforehand.
Okay.
You're all set.
Sir.
Thank you.
August 5th.